Hello and welcome to Honda Stockport. My name's Charlotte and today we're giving you a full video tour of the absolutely stunning pre-reg Honda Jazz i-MMD SE that is currently in our stock. It does come complemented in this gorgeous white exterior, and with your 1.5 petrol hybrid engine it is the ideal eco-friendly alternative for any individual. For any further information please give us a call on 0161 825 0235. So your blue badging does indicate it is a hybrid, along with your very stylish LED daytime running headlights, which will ensure you do always have a full illumination, especially in those altering conditions. This vehicle does sit on your 15-inch steel wheels, followed by your electronically adjustable door mirrors, which do house your indicators in there. If we go ahead now and take a closer look in your rear interior, you will find a full cloth finish, so very comfortable for all travelling passengers. You do also have your ISOFIX points situated on each of your outer rear seats, giving you a helping hand when installing those car seats. And due to the smaller nature of the vehicle, you will find your magic seat system there to really open up the rear. This is quick and easy to do. If we move along now to the rear of the vehicle, you will find your complementing Jazz badging. If we take a close look inside your boot area, you will find your fitted parcel shelf along with plenty of space for all your day-to-day items, as you can fit several shopping bags or small suitcases in there. Moving along into your front interior features now, you will find your contrasting multifunctional steering wheel, which does sit alongside your central display screen with surrounding audio controls. As you can see, this is an automatic transmission for a much smoother and efficient drive. And again, your two front seats are full cloth, so very comfortable. And that does conclude our full 360 walk around of this vehicle. We'll now take a seat in the front, so we'll show you the top key technology features included. To your right hand side on your driver's door, you will find all four of your electronic window controls, along with your central lock-in and outer wing mirror adjustments. As this is a smart start entry, you do have your power button just behind there for a much more hassle-free set-off. You do have your adaptive cruise control and speed limiter functions just to the right of your steering wheel, giving you a helping hand, especially on those longer journeys, keeping you at a safe distance. You do have your audio controls just to your left there, including your options to answer and incoming phone calls. You do also have your controls to navigate around your digital cockpit screen, display an array of car functions on there, including your mileage or fuel consumption levels. Moving across into your central display, you will find plenty of radio stations on here, so it does work off your DAB. However, you do have your USB connection port along with your Bluetooth, so you can also make hands-free phone calls this way as well. As you move just below, you will find your central dials to alternate your temperature and direction flow throughout the vehicle, followed by your front and rear heated windscreen options, ideal in those winter months. You do also have plenty of power outlets just below there with a small charging pocket, followed by your automatic gear controls, electronic parking brake, and you do even have your option to drive in econ mode if you are feeling a bit more efficient. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. If you would like any further information regarding this vehicle, please give our team a call on 0161 825 0235, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button just below to keep up to date with all our exclusive Honda videos.